Welcome to Mini Toyland! Hi Minis, welcome back to my channel! And if you're new, my name is Aubrey and don't forget to subscribe for my Mini Squad. Today I'm going to be playing with my toys and also like kind of organizing them. Wait, guys, what's that noise? It sounds like a horse, but we don't have any horses here. That's weird. We don't have any horses. Wait, I can hear it again. What's that noise? I think it's coming from outside. Let's go check. Guys, I keep on hearing it. So it came downstairs and it got louder. When you're going to the door, it gets even louder. What if it's coming downstairs? Guys, what's that? Is that a spirit box? Let's break it in. It looks so cool. Guys, look what's inside. It's so big. It looks like a barn. Let's take it upstairs to my room and open it. Okay, minis, we're in our playroom. And look at this cool box. It's from Spirit Writing Free, the original series from Netflix. And here are the two main characters, Lucky and Spirit. I love watching the show. Guys, do you guys watch the show and do you guys love it? I love it. It's so cool. It's about this girl and a horse. It's so cool, and this looks like a little barn. Ta-da! In the back are her two friends that she made when she moved. She moved to like a country or where she didn't live before, and she met these two. I want to give a huge thank you to Just Play for sending me this cool package for free. Let's open it up. See what's inside. Whoa! There's like a little barn here. And we can open it. That's cool. And I see horses. Wow, so here's one horse.
This one is Queso? That's yep. So cute.
That's a cute little name. He looks adorable.
Who's next?
I think this one's Bonnie.
Yes, Bonnie.
Ta-da! And guys, these are two new horses. Let's see who else we got. Who is this one?
Sikoa.
That's a cute name, and this one's also a new horse. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, we got one of Spirit's
Abigail Boomerang.
Those are a really cute name.
Okay, so right now we're gonna open all of them up and show you how fun they are.
Ooh, we have another one right here.
That one is Prue and Chica Linda.
That's a cute name, Chica Linda.
Chica Linda. That means pretty girl.
Cool. And then we have Spirit and Lucky.
All the main characters.
Yep. So we all have all her in.
Spirit and Lucky.
This is
Grooming Paddock.
Ooh, open me first. So I guess we have to open this one first because it was right here. And then we can take the horses.
Oh, look at the background.
The background is up. Wow, so cute.
Wow. This is an amazing package.
Yeah. So let's open.
So we're gonna open this all up and we'll be right back.
Okay, minis, we got it all set up. Do you guys like it? So this one is Bonnie, Queso, and Sequoia. Aren't they so cute? So here's like little Sequoia. She has beautiful fur right here on her little hoofs. She is a brown and white. She looks so cute. So let's check Queso. I think I know why they call him Queso. Because if you look closely, his like the brown part kind of looks like Queso. And then he's also white with blonde hair. Let's see Bonnie. Bonnie has like this grayish, whitish color, and then right here it goes into black, and then her hoofs are white, and right here a really bright white color going down her little forehead, and black straight hair. This one's Prue and Chica Linda. Here's Prue. She's wearing some overalls on her with some cute little boots. She has a little ponytail in the back. And Chica Linda has this right here, a saddle and a braid coming right down here. And this has like the real mane, like it's nice and soft. And then these are plastic, so that's cool. And then here's Abigail and Boomerang. She also has like a reddish blondish hair with her tail and her mane. And then Abigail has a short little blonde hair and a cute outfit that I love. And then right here is our favorite characters. It is Lucky. She has her hair down with an outfit and some boots. And here's Spirit riding free. Ta-da! And then we also opened the set, and it came with another Lucky, but she has a different outfit. She has different pants on, but the same boots. And her hair is up in a ponytail because she's going to be working on the farm, so she needs to have her hair up. And a cute outfit that I think I have. And Lucky could go check on the horses right here. And here is Spirit. Spirit looks adorable. And then here's my favorite part. It comes with like a little baby that's so cute. It has brown and white and like this kind of peachy color right here. His little tail's going up. That means he's happy. And then Lucky could give Spirit a bath. So let's give Spirit a bath. But before we do that, let me show you all the cool things it comes with. So right here, like to brush their mane, like so Spirit could go. Lucky could go brush their hair. Right here's a little shower, and this right here, it could hold on. And then right in here, we have like a little chest. Lucky could take out the chest, and here is some little soap for the horses, where she could shower them. A brush for they could brush their hair, her hair, or the pony's hair. And then this one's for grooming them like this. And then whenever she is going up, but there's no ladder or anything, right here's a little opening door for the little baby. And then right here, she can just press a button and there's an elevator. She could stand right here, like that. And then she could go all the way up the elevator and climb on. And then she could also rest here after a hard day at the barn. And then the door is a sliding door. Ta-da! And then you close this up. Let's put the little baby in here. And right here, some food and a little seat, so when she's showering them or she needs to get on, she can just go on and comb them or get on them. Right here, we have a saddle and this that goes around their face where you can hold on to them like that for Spirit. And then right here, you guys know what this is for, to pick up the stuff they do.
Or the hay.
Yeah.
It also came with hay.
Ta-da! And something that could hold for when the baby escapes. The baby can eat hay. And in the middle of the night, yum, yum, yum. Time to go back.
Let's show you the front of the barn.
So let's move this out the way. Let's close this gate.
Oh, it also came with these little pieces, which are, we're thinking they're little grass.
Yeah.
Just to make it look nice.
Oh, that fell. So here is the back of the front of the barn. It has the sliding door. So they can get in and out and easy. If there's like a fire or anything, they can just quickly get in and out. A window, a little goose, some more saddles, a rope, some more hay. There's so many cute details. Trying to put some shampoo on him. And groom him to make sure it's all in there. Put on the stepping stool. Ta-da! So now that he doesn't have any more knots, we could shower him, so let's put this on. Get her stepping stool and rinse him all off. Make sure it's all off. Okay, let's comb out Spirit's hair with the brush and comb it and comb it and comb it and comb it. Don't forget to comb his tail. Lucky. And we have our soaps, a beautiful, clean Spirit. All right, Spirit, don't go in the mud. So now we can hang out with the other horses.
So here are all the things we got today.
And I'm gonna keep on showering the horses with the help of Lucky. And guys, if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my mini squad. Bye.